Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Montana X just filed their current report for the 30th of April 2026, and it is all about their first quarter financial performance. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company reported its quarterly results, and we're seeing some interesting numbers that tell a story about their business right now. Minerals Technologies Incorporated, or MTX as it is known on the New York Stock Exchange, has put out its latest update. This filing is an 8K, which is for significant events. In this case, the big event is the release of their earnings for the first 3 months of 2026. Think of it like this: every quarter, companies have to report how they did financially, and this 8K is how MTX shares that news with everyone. Now, what is really catching my eye are the actual results. We're hearing that sales hit an impressive $547 million. That is a significant amount of money coming in. This is not just a small number, it is what allows MTX to operate, invest, and hopefully make profits for its shareholders. When sales are strong, it generally means customers are buying their products, which is the lifeblood of any business. And it is not just sales. The earnings per S-Hair, or EPS, saw a 21% jump. EPS is a key indicator of a company's profitability. It tells you how much profit is allocated to each outstanding share of common stock. A 21% increase here is a really positive sign, suggesting that the company is becoming more efficient at turning its sales into actual profit for its owners, meaning the shareholders. Imagine if you owned a small slice of the company. This jump means your slice is now representing a bigger piece of the profit pie. What makes these numbers even more noteworthy is that MTX apparently beat expectations. When a company performs better than analysts and investors predicted, it can often lead to positive reactions in the stock market. It suggests that the company's management team is executing well and perhaps facing a more favorable market environment than anticipated. Beating estimates is like getting a better grade than you expected on a test. It's a good surprise. Digging a bit deeper into the earnings, the adjusted EPS came in at $1.38 per S-Hair. This is compared to an estimate of $1.25 per S-Hair. That is a difference of about $0.13 per S-Hair, which might not sound like much, but when you multiply that small difference across millions of shares, it adds up. This beat shows a tangible improvement in their bottom line beyond the headline percentage. Now, we do not have the full financial statements in this particular filing as it primarily references an attached press release, which is Exhibit 99.1. However, the information provided here pointing to strong sales and a significant EPS gain that exceeded expectations definitely tells us MTX had a solid first quarter. Looking at the context of the company, Minerals Technologies Incorporated is in the specialty chemicals and minerals sector. This is a pretty important industry that supplies materials for a wide range of products from construction to electronics. The fact that they are performing well in this sector suggests they are competitive and meeting demand. Considering the top institutional holders like BlackRock and Vanguard, a significant portion of this company is owned by large investment firms. When these big players hold substantial stakes, it often signals a degree of confidence in the company's long-term prospects, though their holdings don't guarantee future performance. So, what is the takeaway from this filing? It is a clear signal of a strong operational quarter for Minerals Technologies, the higher sales and better than expected earnings suggest the company is effectively managing its business and capitalizing on market opportunities. It is not a dramatic event like a merger or a major financial distress warning, but rather a confirmation of a positive performance period. The risk I am watching is how sustainable this strong performance is, especially in the often volatile specialty chemicals market. Are these results due to a strong market cycle, or is it a sign of MTX gaining market share and innovating effectively? That is what I'll be looking for in their subsequent reports. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded if this analysis was valuable. Hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Check out the Discord in the description.